everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have something really special. So this is my Eid special makeup tutorial. I absolutely love how this look turned out. It is very dramatic and over the top, but yet somehow I feel it goes for Eid. It is pretty wearable for Eid. Even though I know Eid this year is going to be very different for all of us. We are probably going to just stay at home and celebrate with family, but that doesn't mean you cannot dress up or you cannot put on makeup. So have fun at home, celebrate with your family, and put on this gorgeous makeup look. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family so that I can reach more people. And I'm trying to be very active on YouTube. This is kind of like my second phase on YouTube, so please do support me so that I feel motivated to create regular content and be active. And of course, don't forget to leave a comment down below, because in every video I feature one of your comments. And for today's video, here is the comment. Thank you so much for commenting. And if you want to see some more videos from me, then click right here, or you can just head over to the playlist. So until next time, take care and Eid Mubarak.